Discovering the magic of deep learning, how computers learn like humans. Deep learning is a type of computer program that helps machines learn to do things like humans do. Imagine you're teaching a robot how to play a game of tag. You would need to give it basic instructions. You might say, "You're it. Try to tag others, but avoid being tagged yourself." With regular programming, that's where the instructions end. But with deep learning, that's just the beginning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which itself is a branch of artificial intelligence. It involves feeding a computer system a lot of data, which it uses to make decisions about other data. It's all about making computers, well, smarter. Imagine a child learning to identify animals. You show him a picture of a dog and say, "This is a dog." Do this repeatedly with different dogs, and soon, he can identify dogs he's never seen before. That's deep learning in a nutshell. The magic of deep learning lies in its layers. Each layer of a deep learning model learns to identify different features. For instance, in image recognition, the first layer might recognize edges, the next layer spots shapes, and so on until the final layer identifies the whole image. Just like the child learning to identify dogs, a deep learning system needs examples to learn from. These examples are called training data. The system uses this data to make connections and predictions, just like our brains do. This is how computers are learning to think like humans. Why is this important? Well, with deep learning, computers can do things that were once thought impossible. They can understand human speech, recognize images, even drive cars. And it's not just about doing things faster or more accurately, it's about doing things we never thought machines could do. Deep learning is transforming industries across the globe. In healthcare, it's helping doctors diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. In finance, it's identifying patterns and trends that can predict market movements. And in entertainment, it's powering the creation of realistic virtual worlds. But it's not all smooth sailing. Deep learning systems need vast amounts of data to learn from, and they need a lot of processing power. Plus, they can be a bit of a black box. It can be hard to understand why they're making the decisions they are. But despite these challenges, the potential of deep learning is immense. So, what's next for deep learning? As technology advances, we can expect to see deep learning applications in more and more areas of our lives. We might have robots that can carry on a conversation, or security systems that can identify a thief from a mile away. The future is exciting, and deep learning is leading the way. In a world that's becoming increasingly automated, understanding deep learning is more important than ever. It's not just about knowing how to use the latest gadget, it's about understanding how that gadget works, and how it's changing the world around us. So jump in and discover the magic of deep learning. After all, it's not just for computers, it's for everyone.